What are weak references and soft references? By default, any object in Java has a strong reference. That is, it will be garbage collected only if there are no references to it. But a weak reference acts as a holder to an object, and using a weak reference, we can simply rely on the garbage collector's ability to determine the reachability of an object on the heap. A weak hash map is a good example which uses weak references to its keys. If a weak hash map is used, the objects will be removed as soon as they are no longer used by any other objects in our application. Although the hash map itself might be having the key value pair and pointing to it, since the key itself is a weak reference, if anything outside the hash map is not using it, that entire key value pair will be deleted from the hash map. A soft reference, on the other hand, is very similar to the weak reference, except that it will be cleared or garbage collected only when there are any memory issues, like running out of memory. The garbage collector will reclaim all the soft reference objects before it throws a out of memory error. It will try its best by clearing all the soft reference objects. It will try to reclaim the memory, but even then, if the memory isn't sufficient, then it will throw a out of memory error. A good example for using soft reference is to implement our own caching strategy. If we use soft references, the objects cached will stay in memory until we have some memory issues, and just before the garbage collector or the JVM throws out of memory error, it will clear our cache and see that the memory issues are resolved. So to summarize, a weak reference will be eagerly garbage collected, and soft references are lazily garbage collected under low memory situations.